The first reason you should make bad art is that if you expect all your art to be good, you'll probably run into a situation where you never start anything. Ideas can exist in a sort of perfect way inside of our heads, and it's only once you start to act upon it that you confront your own limitations and your abilities. For better or for worse, that original idea is going to change along the way. So by starting something, you kind of always have to kill the original idea. Not all good ideas lead to good art, and that's okay.